SM Wealth YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just bought a multi-millionaire's abandoned supercar for $5,000. Yes, 5 grand. It's been sitting in this rotting barn for 6 years, completely forgotten. But why would someone abandon a $200,000 car? Today, we're finding out. Look at this interior, pure white leather, totally covered in mold. Under the hood? Raccoons turned the airbox into a mansion and chewed through half the wiring harness. The previous owner was a crypto millionaire who got evicted and left this beast behind. The tow truck guy thought I was insane for buying it. We threw in a fresh battery, bypassed the blown fuses, and flushed the 6-year-old gas. I'm either about to start a V10 engine, or set $5,000 on fire. Here goes nothing. No way. It actually started. Listen to that V10 roar. 6 years of dust just blew right out the tailpipe. $5,000 for this? Best gamble of my entire life. We're taking this bad boy to a professional detailer and throwing on a twin-turbo kit in episode 2. Smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the full restoration.